I will be using the book Dot Makes a Pot from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, don't worry. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant D. I will be saying 3 words. I want you to use your ears, and I want you to listen very carefully and tell me what sound is the same in all 3 of these words. I will say the word. You will echo the word. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Dig, did, dot. What sound did you hear that was the same in all 3 of those words? That's right, you heard the D sound. Let's grab our mirrors and let's see what our mouth is doing when we make that sound. Grab your mirror and hold it right up to your mouth, and I want you to say D. What happened when you made that sound? You're right. Your tongue was right behind your front teeth, and when it tapped down, you made a little burst of sound. Now, let's make the sound again, but this time I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to see if you can feel a vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. D. Did you feel that? So did I. We know that the D is a voiced sound. Remember, when we make the D sound, our tongue is right behind our teeth. It taps down. We have a little burst of sound, and it's a voiced sound. Go ahead, put your mirrors up. Now, I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to use your eyes because I want you to be able to tell me what letter is the same in each one of these words that I write. D, I, G, D, I, D, D, O, T. What letter is the same in each one of these words? You're right. The letter D is the same in each one of these words. Today, we will be looking very closely at consonant D. Let's read these 3 words. Dig, did, dot. When you read the book, Dot Makes a Pot, you will have a chance to see many of the words that have the D sound. And we know that that's the letter D. Remember, when you make the D sound, your tongue is at the top of your mouth right behind your teeth. It taps down and makes a little sound. And we know that it's a voiced sound. Thank you for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.